It's a familiar story. You fall in love with a ring on Instagram. You place the order and it arrives a few weeks later. But this is when the story goes wrong. Within a few short months, the ring is damaged. It's bent, lost its luster, and it might even be missing gemstones. You bring the ring to your local jeweler, who informs you that the cost to repair the ring exceeds its value and that the repairs simply won't last. Why? And how is the seller getting away with this? Well, not all rings are created equally. Many sellers are cutting corners to deliver low price points, using mass production, cheap overseas labor, sterling silver, thin or lightweight gold mountings, low-cost gems that are often too soft or brittle, and poorly designed settings. These products look good up front, but they can't stand up to everyday usage, nor were they designed to. The rarely spoken fine print is that it takes time, quality materials, and expert goldsmithing to create rings that will last. Oftentimes, the quality product will cost 2 to 3 times that of the pretty ring on Instagram. Yet, despite the increased upfront cost, the savings will come in avoided repairs and the lifetime wearability of the product. If you're interested in learning more about how FWC Jewelers makes quality rings that last, or if you want to discuss having an item repaired, reach out to our expert jewelers.